Hi, I'm Vijay Babu. I'm going to explain exploratory data analysis of a Play Store app reviews. So the first thing is problem statement. Play Store app reviews. So people they often download different apps through Play Store app. So app review analysis is a very crucial part of the problem statement. So I'm going to present how the reviews are when anybody gives the review. So how the rating is having relationship with the other parameters. So here if you see I'm importing three basic libraries. So one is matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So this helps us in plotting different graphs. So visually we can understand different things. And numpy is to do numerical analysis on the data frame. Pandas is to read the data frame and do manipulations on the data frame. So and then dataset loading. How I'm loading the dataset is from google.colab import files and then keep some name either it is uploaded or according to your choice files dot upload. Then locally it will ask for the file to choose and I have chosen the Play Store data app and then I started reading that CSV file Play Store data.csv file. Then if I print, so this is how the data frame the CSV file looks like. Here it is app and then category and then rating out of 5. So 4.1 3.9 out of 5 rating. Reviews, how many people gave the review 4.1 or 3.9, how many people gave the each review, that is it tells that. And then size of the app 19 million or 14 million whatever it may be. And then installs particular app, how many people have installed the particular app is given by this column. And type, whether it is costly or free, it tells that. And then price, how much price is that, it is telling how much price. And then content rating, how many people have given content rating. And then which which genres particular app belongs to which genre, is it what it is written. And then last updated, the app usually after using particular time it needs to be updated, particular time it needs to be updated. So the when it is updated, that data is showing up here. Okay. Then current variable and then Android variable. So that's what the data frame. And if you want to see all the columns and 5 rows, you can put it df.head comma 5. If you don't put 5 also, it will give first 5 rows, and all the columns it will give. If you see here, app, category, rating, review, size, installs, type, price, content rating, genres, last updated, current variable, Android version. So these are all the columns on few rows. Those few rows are first 5 rows. So and then another app and another data set I am loading in the similar manner. Google Colab files and uploaded is previous variable. Here uploaded one is current variable. Files dot upload, and then it will ask us to choose the file, and after I have chosen, this is the updated version, and then it will read this CSV file like this. This is in pandas. And then top 5 rows. Top means I first 5 rows, and then all the columns that are installed in the app, in the data set. So this is what the columns look like. And then if you want to know how many rows and how many columns in the given two data sets, one data set is 64,295 rows, comma 5 columns, and second data set is 10,841 rows, 13 columns. So this is how the shape of a given two data sets. And then data information. Data information is like it will give all the information regarding all the columns and all the rows. Samely for the second data set also, df1.info information. It has given the information. And then duplicated values. How many duplicated values means? The first, if you put only duplicated, it will give wherever duplicated values are there, it will show. So I did not show that here. If you put dot sum, it will give you the count of the duplicated values. So then null values. How many null values? Df dot is null. Wherever null value is there, it will show that true. If null value is not there at a particular place, it will show the false. And null is null, count is I have written here. And the list of columns. If I want to see list of columns, there we have to write df dot columns. You can write the list of columns, or if you don't write also, it's okay. It will give all the column names that are present here. And then describe. If you use describe will give these things to us. Rating. Regarding rating, it gives mean value, it gives standard deviation of the rating, minimum value 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, and the maximum value. So this is with respect to mean value 25, 50 and 75, and then count is this much. So that is what data describe means. And then now data wrangling. When it comes to data wrangling, here A1 is less than or equal, rating less than or equal to 3. If the rating is 3, and then rating less than 3 also comes under A1, and greater than 3, rating greater than 3 comes under A2, rating equal to 3 comes under A3. So printing A1, A2, A3 looks like this. This is A1 we are printing, and then we are printing A2. This is how A2 looks like, greater than 3 and equal to 3. These are these many apps the reviewers gave equal to 3 rating. Was these three, and we are concatenating all because to do the analysis A1, A2, A3 should be in the same data frame. So that's why that is A for pd.concat. You want to combine all these with respect to pandas, so this is the function you need to use. Then print A4, then here everything will be combined, and then we can see this app rate less than or equal to 3, app rate greater than 3, app rate equal to 3, all are stored in A4. This is data.info. Object type is what? How many rows we have, how many columns we have, and then each type of the data type is object, float, like that. Whatever the data type is there, it will show up here. How many columns, how many rows are there, it will show up here. And how many columns are there, it will show up here. Then next df and df1. Df shape is this, and then if you see here sample df pd.concat. Now sample df is a1 a2 combination, and x equal to 1 means it is column wise it is concatenating. Sample df tail, the same variable where we have stored a1 a2 combined, and tail last 5 it will show. This is the point here. Last 5 rows it will show. Last 5 rows there are many not a number values are there. So that is one thing. And here if you want to see the information of sample df, this is how it look like. I have already explained what is these three columns represent. And then same columns here, as I told you previously, here we can put list or not list, it doesn't matter. If you want to see the columns, then that data frame function dot columns, it will show all the columns that are present in the data frame. A1 A2 shapes are like this: number of rows, number of columns, number of rows, number of columns. And then now we are merging A1 A2 inner join, outer join, right join, left join, like that joins are there. We are merging with respect to inner, and then left on current variable, right on current variable. Current where we know that it is present in our data set only, current where. Then the merged output is this A1 A2 merged output. This is with respect to pandas. We are using pandas only, data manipulation. And then previously if you see here inner, and then here now it is left. The left on right on current variable is same, but how previously it is different. If now previously it is inner, now it is left. Okay, left join, and then right join, and then we know price and rating. We are merging price and rating, that is belongs to A1. From A1 we are merging A1 of price rating with A2 on price. How this is outer. Here outer space means what to say, outer join, and then this is the lambda function. If you see new rating, we are adding an extra column, that is new rating. So for that, so this is the line that is written for new rating. df dot apply lambda x date time dot strp time x of app, and then percentage m percentage d percentage y. X is equal to 1 means column wise. Okay, also this is the lambda function that we applied on the data frame, so that our new rating column is defined. And next thing is definition. There's some function I want to write. For that def I need to write first and then convert to year date value, return date value dot year. So this is what this function's return value is written. And then now, so for what I have learned, I've seen different operations, manipulations and all, but I have learned how to concatenate the two data frames. I found this is a good insight for me, and removing duplicates and null values. This we have seen null values and duplicated values we have seen. So why did you pick up this specific chart? Because nowadays everyone uses mobile apps. So doing some analysis on the app review will be greatly useful. What is the insights you found from the chart? Removing duplicates and null values. Will the gained insight help creating a positive business impact? Are there any insights that will lead to negative growth or justify with your specific reason? Yes, the gained insight will help the business. And then now come to data visualization part. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. We are importing that matplotlib.pyplot as plt. It is an alias, and then we are plotting the scatter plot. X and y we have to give plt.scatter df of reviews. As I told you, reviews with respect to other parameters. Rating with respect to other parameters is what we are interested in. Rating, color equal to red, title label is this, reviewers giving rating, X label is reviews, Y label is rating, plt dot show in order to show the plot. So this is how reviews and rating, reviews giving rating, reviewers giving rating. This is how scatter plot looks like. And another scatter plot looks like this. df of size, df is our data frame, size column, and then installs column, color equal to green, and next things are same. You can easily know this. Title, X and Y labels are there, looks like this. and then histogram. So size, how much MB or how much GB is the each app, that tells us by df of size. So histogram we want to plot. This is the variable column that we are giving, and color is green, edge color is white, bins are 5. So this is how the plot looks like, histogram plot. If you see, we have given bins 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bins are shown up here. And then rating histogram. We are much interested in the rating, so it is rating. If you see, df of rating, color is green, edge color is white, bins are 5. So here the bins are coming 2 only, because there are only 2. It will 2 are sufficient to describe the graph, so that's why 2 only came. Next, reviews histogram. Reviews histogram looks like this. Then installs histogram looks like this. Then Cborn has SNS dot set, style is dark red, SNS dot regression plot, x equal to df of reviews, y equal to df of ratings. So that looks like this. And then count plot, y reviews and data equal to data frame df, that is count plot. And then box plot, rating, we are much interested in rating, so rating box plot is written. So this is what the entire exploratory data analysis of a app rating reviews. Thank, thank you one and all.